Exercise 1, AutoCAD. So for the first part, we're going to be making, be sure to have your snaps on. Select the rectangle tool for drawing. And for the first 3, hit Tab, 5, Enter. For the next part, just go to 3D Tools, go to Extrude, click on the drawing that you made, enter, type in 0.5. Alright, so for the next part, drag the origin here, up to the corner. I have to zoom in close to do that, but after you do that, then head to Home, select the rectangle tool again. Three, tab 1.5, enter. And head to 3D Tools, Extrude, select the drawing, enter, and then 0.5 again. Now, these are two separate parts. As you can see, it highlights this part, but not like both of them. You have to combine them both. So head to the Union tool up here, and then select both of the parts, and then hit Enter. That makes it one part. You make sure you do that, because if you don't, it will mess some things up later on in this video. So be sure to do that. Alright, once you're done with that, head to Home. Now select the diameter for the circle tool on the drawing. Head to the top view, and then select right there, and 0.75. Enter. Once you're done with that, head to the 3D Tools, and then head to Press and Pull. Drag it down, and then type in 0.5. Once that's done, now we're going to be working on the fillets. So then head to 3D Tools and select Fillet Edge. Hit enter again, select that edge. As soon as you hit both those edges and hit enter, then we're going to use the chamfer tool. Now hit distance down the line first, and then type in 0.125, enter, 0.125, enter. Then hit enter. There's the first chamfer. Hit enter again, and select those lines. And there you go. Then the last part of this video is we're going to shell the part. So hit shell, select the 3D object. Alright. Now it says select faces to remove. Hold the curl key on your keyboard, select that one, select that face and that face, and hit enter. Then the distance is 0.06, enter. And there you go, that is E1 AutoCAD.